We're at the hotel, haven't seen my mum in about 3 months. I feel a bit nervous. Here she is. Here she is, you alright?
Oh, hello, my love.
You okay?
Yeah.
We're alive though, just loading up on pre-flight fuel in Applejack's Diner. Got a birthday girl with us. What are we doing today?
We're going on a helicopter.
So we're at the Staten Island ferry terminal, and those great big scary flying things in the background are going to be our means of transportation for the next hour or so. We're very early, we're on Mum's timing today, but we're going to be flying one of those very soon, so stay tuned. Back in Times Square, survived the helicopter. Mother hasn't had a heart attack. Happy birthday.
Loving it.
Life. Thoughts?
Loved it. Want to do it again? Wish I could go in the front.
So as you saw, I was sat in the front being a co-pilot, didn't really have any influence at all. That's probably a good thing, but think I was in the front because of my very good experience of flying helicopters on Verdansk in Warzone. Shout out to the boys. Missing you all a lot. But yeah, unreal experience. Did it all with Zip Aviation, so I will put all the information in the description below. Speaking of description below, you can find my link tree and my buy me a coffee link. If you enjoyed this content or see any value in it / want more, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, share, show your friends and family, or buy me a coffee. Either or means the world to me. If not, no worries. Have a fantastic Christmas and New Year. And 2022, we're coming a lot harder than we have so far. But thank you for everything this year, and I promise next year I'm going to do as much as I can, and I'm not coming home. I'll be travelling every day that I can in 2022, which I hope to be the majority.